So, good evening, everyone. So, in previous session, we have discussed about the introduction of array and the basic declaration and how the array element are accessed and how the array element are stored. So, in this session, we are going to discuss about the basic type of array. So, the array is array has two types. One is one dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. So one dimensional array is nothing but array elements are stored continuously in a sequence one after another. So that is nothing but in a list form. So the elements of a array are just arranged in a one dimensional way. So the list will be given. So the next thing is two-dimensional array. So two-dimensional array can be thought rectangular display of an element with row and column. That is like a matrix format. It will be having two-dimensional. So let me check it the syntax. So in this syntax, the first initially the data type is given. After that, the array name, then row size and column size. So this is the example how the two-dimensional array element are stored. First, initially the row and column value is given. So the first initial uh, first initial index is represents row size, and next index is represent column size. Like matrix, it will assign the value in the form of for loop. So the two-dimensional array element is stored in two ways. One is initialization, then another way is giving input in the runtime. So 2D array can be initialized in a way similar to one-dimensional array. Example, int m of. So two dimensions, so that two dimension is given. So 4 is nothing but the row count, 3 is nothing but the column count. So normally array index value is starts with 0. So first initially the value of first element will be m of 0, 0. So the first initial value here is assigned to the first index position. So the next element is stored in the next position of the column value. Then for the first row, the first three value will be assigned. Then next three value will be assigned to the second row. Then after that, the same will be followed. So this is the example program for a 2D array. So for example, if we consider we are going to add two matrix. So matrix is 2D, right? So first, initially the declaration part will be carried out. Here int space R is nothing but number of rows, C is nothing but number of column. The A matrix is used, that is having an index position, and B matrix is used, that is also having an index position, row and column. Then after that, sum is used to store the addition of A and B, and I comma j is used in order to looping the value. After that, the value of R and C is get from user. After that, the using two for loops, the value of two-dimensional array element is get from user. After that, the two matrix value is get from user, the value will be added. So normally sum of two matrix will be calculated using the same index position will be added, right? So that the index value is starts from 0, and after that sum of I. So sum is nothing but the output matrix, right? So output matrix equal to the two input matrix, sum of two input matrix. Using plus symbol, the values of the both index value will be added and stored it to the sum of ij. So first initially the value of I and j will be 0. After that, the I and j will be incremented, the values of sum matrix will be generated. So after generated the sum matrix, we have to display the value, so that the value is displayed in order in the form of printf function. So this is the basic of two-dimensional program. So thank you.